Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a couple different ways on how to save battery life on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd actually recommend doing would be to open up the search magnifying glass down in your system taskbar and type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons and then select Power Options. Set the preferred plan to Power Saver. Save energy by reducing your computer's performance where possible. So keep in mind this will reduce performance but should increase your battery life, in some cases somewhat substantially from my experience. And once you've done that, go ahead and select where it says turn off the display. If either the turn off display or put the computer to sleep options are set to never, or maybe a very extended period of time like an hour or 35 minutes. So if you're not using your computer for 30 minutes, maybe you do want to turn off the display. Putting it in sleep might interrupt activities that are going on in the background, so you may not want to put it into sleep for the never setting, but turning off the display, I don't think it hurts to turn it off after 5 minutes. And then again, this is a personal preference, so you can make your selection. At least with turning off the display, you can still have your programs running in the background, but your computer monitor itself will not be drawing all that power. So that's something you definitely want to consider. So you'd select Save Changes once you've made your selection. And then another thing you can try here too, if you go back into the search menu and type in Performance, one of the best matches should come back with Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Go ahead and open that up. You can open that up through this control panel as well. Now, this is more of a personal preference, but you can adjust for best performance here and select Apply and OK. Generally, some of the graphics might not appear as appealing on your computer, but generally it should be acting more responsive. So that's just something to keep in mind. You're taking a little bit of the eye candy beautifulness of your computer and you're making it a little more utilitarian, but that's okay because you are trying to get the most out of your battery life. So definitely a good way to how to do that. And then also another thing too, if you have your desktop wallpaper, consider setting it to black, just like a black wallpaper. And now that might be a little bit more extreme for some of you guys, but if you just really want to save battery power, loading a black screen requires a lot less energy than loading a screen with a lot of bright colors. So just keep that in mind. And with that, I will end the tutorial here. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.